Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. So today I am going to begin with exercise 4B. See, as you all know that yesterday I have solved some questions from exercise 4B. Question number 13 was left. That was after the true false. So question number 13 says that find an integer a such that it is having 4 options. So the first option I am going to solve. Find the value of a, right? A plus 6 is equals to 0. So as I have told you some rules, if you all can remember that anything which is on the left hand side, if it is positive, when it will go to the right hand side, it is going to become negative. So it will be 0 minus 6. So what will be the value of a? The value of a is minus 6, right? Now coming to second option. The second option is 5 plus a is equals to 0. So as you all know that this 5 is in positive. I have told you whenever there is no sign before any number, by default we have to consider it as a positive number. So this plus 5 when will go on the right hand side, it is going to become minus 5. So what will be the value of a? It will be minus 5. Right students? Now coming to the third option. It is very easy to understand this. So without wasting time, just quickly understand this. And whenever you are watching the video, please sit with your sit with your copies and pen, so that you can do along with me without wasting the time. Because if you will watch the video and then you will do the questions, it will take a lot of time. Right? So this is minus 4 plus minus. So this minus 4, when it will go on the right hand side, please reply me in the comment section what will be the answer. This minus 4, when it will go on the right hand side, what will happen? Very good. The value will change, it will be plus 4. So what will be the value of a? The value of a is now 4. Okay students? Now coming to the fourth option. Please pay attention. So the fourth option is a plus minus 4. No, it's not minus 4. I have again written the third option. Fourth option is minus 8 plus a is equals to 0. Now you have to tell me when this minus 8 is going to go on the left, from the left hand side to the right hand side. क्या हो जाएगा? ये minus 8, if it will go on the right hand side, what will be the sign of this number? Please pause the video and reply me in the comment section. The value will be plus 8 because it will be a is equals to 0 plus 8 and the value of a is plus 8. I hope it is clear now. So coming to the next exercise, that is subtraction of integers, which I have already started, right? So in that exercise I have got one query from my own class student Sia Singh. So I am going to explain that query. So please pay attention students. So let me rub this. Right. Exercise 4C. This exercise is based on subtraction of integers. So she has not understood option number 7 of question number 1. So option number 7 of question number 1 was that subtract minus 135 from minus 250, right? This was the question. Now how will we subtract? So as I have told you that the number or the integer which is written after this term from के बाद जो लिखा होता है वो क्या होता है आपका? पहले आता है. Now minus, subtract means we have to subtract. So I have put the symbol of minus. From minus 250 we have to subtract minus 135. क्या subtract करना है? Minus 135. So you all know that minus. Please pause the video and tell me minus is what? As per the rules explained by me, minus is plus. So one integer is positive, one integer is negative. What we have to do in this question now? We have to subtract and sign of the greater number will be applied. So the answer is 150. 15 minus 115 because the sign of 250 is the greatest number and the sign of the greater number is negative. So I think we have done in this exercise till question number 2, right students? So we have to start from question number 3. If I have already done question number 3 in my previous video, you can ignore it. If I have not done, then you have to do it in your classwork copy. So I am starting from question number 3. So what does question number 3 says that subtract the sum of minus 250 and 138 from the sum of 136 and minus 272. तो you have to catch the terms given in the question. From के बाद क्या दिया हुआ है? From के बाद दिया हुआ है sum of 136 and minus 272. ये from के बाद दिया गया है. This portion is given after from. तो from के बाद दिया है, that is why it is going to come first. Now what we have to do? We have to subtract. That is why this negative symbol. अब क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है? वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट द सम ऑफ minus 250 and 138. We have to subtract minus 250 and 138. So as per the BODMAS rule, we are going to solve the things given in the bracket first. Plus minus minus, right? Again minus 250 plus 138, right? Now one positive, one negative, one negative, one positive. So this is in bracket. These brackets are called curly braces, right? So 272 minus 136. What will be the answer? When you will subtract, please reply me in the comment sections. Very good students. The answer is minus 136 minus. Now we have to solve this one. We have to solve this part. Minus 250 plus 138. One integer is negative, one integer is positive. So we have to do subtraction. हम लोग क्या करेंगे? Minus करेंगे. Sign किसकी लगेगी? Of the greatest number. Now you have to tell me. Minus minus. Again one question for all of you. Minus minus is going to become plus. Now one positive, one negative. Can we solve this? Yes. So 136 minus 112 is 24. But the greatest number is having a negative sign. So the answer will be minus 24. I hope all of you have understood question number 3. Now coming to question number 4. Question number 4 says that from the sum of 33 and minus 47 subtract minus 84. तो from के बाद क्या दिया हुआ है? What is the term given after from? From के बाद आपको जो दिया है वो है from the sum of minus 33 and minus 47. 33 and minus 47. What we have to subtract? We have to subtract minus 84, right? So as per the BODMAS rule, firstly the things given in the bracket will be solved, right? So 33 minus plus minus minus 33 minus 47 minus minus 84. Minus minus is going to become what? Plus 84. Now 33 minus 47 is one integer positive, one integer negative, and the greatest number is having negative sign. So here हम लोग subtract करेंगे और बड़े नंबर का साइन देंगे. So it will be minus 14. Now one positive, one negative. What we have to do? Please reply to me in the comment sections. Yes, we have to subtract, and sign of the greatest number is positive. So the answer is 70. Okay students, I hope it is clear. Coming to question number 5, please pay attention. Question number 5 says that add minus 36 to the difference of minus 8 and minus 68. add minus 36 to the difference of, difference means to subtract something, add minus 36 to the difference of minus 8 and minus 68. So I have 8 और 68 का क्या निकालना है आपको, डिफरेंस निकालना है, सॉरी डिफरेंस मीन्स सब्ट्रैक्ट, और उसमें क्या ऐड करना है, minus 36 is to be added. See, add लिखा है, that is why I have given a positive symbol. Add minus 36 to the difference of minus 8 and minus 68. See, minus 68 is the second integer, minus 8 is the first integer. Now minus minus is going to become what? Plus. So it will be like that, minus 8 plus 64 plus minus is minus. So it is now minus 36. Now minus 8 plus 68, one positive, one negative. That means here it will be 60 minus 36. What it will be? 60 minus 36. So one positive, one negative we have to subtract, and the sign of the greatest number is positive. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 24. Right, students? Now coming to question number 6. Please pay attention. Question number 6 is of simplification. So the first part which I am going to solve is, there are two options. So I will be solving only second part, not the first part. First part will be your homework. So you have to do it by your own. Coming to the second part. So please pay attention, students. Minus 13 minus 17, right? Then plus minus 22 minus 40. Now can we solve this question? Yes. Firstly, what we have to do? We have to solve the things given in the bracket. So minus minus is going to become what? Plus. Again, minus minus is going to become what? Plus. Right. So now one positive, one negative. One positive, one negative. What we have to do if we have one positive integer and one negative integer? We have to subtract. So 17 minus 13 is 4, sign of the greatest number. 40 minus 22 is 18, sign of the greatest number. Now what will be the answer? The answer of this simplification is 22. I hope it is clear, students. So till now we have done question number 3, 4, 5 and option 2 of question number 6. Now I will be explaining you question number 7. So please pay attention. Question number 7 is, find 34 minus 72 and minus 72 minus 34, and it is written like that. Are they equal? So what we have to do? We have to check, we have to solve this part and we have to solve this part, and then we have to check whether both of them are equal or not. So firstly I am going to solve this part. 34 minus 72, we are taking like that, LHS and then RHS. So I will be taking here minus 72 minus 34. So minus minus is going to become plus. So here the answer is 106. Now solving the right hand side. Minus 72 minus 34. Minus minus is plus, but sign किसकी लगती है? माइनस की लगती है. सी minus 106 and 106. Are they equal? No, they are not equal. So we are going to write like that. No, they are not equal. Right, students? Have you all understood? Say yes in the comment section if you have understood till now. Now I am going to explain you question number 8. Some of the students were saying that, ma'am, when you will take the test? See, I also want to take the test. I also want to come live. So I will schedule the test in the next week itself so that I can talk to all of you. So you will get the information about the test 2 days before only. So when I will be taking, I am going to send you the message 2 days before. So coming to question number 8. Question number 8 is sum of two integers is minus 13. There are two integers, we don't know what are those integers. So we can write like that, a plus b is equals to minus 13. Sum of two integers is equals to minus 13. If one of the number is 170, find the other. तो एक हमें either take it a or either take it as b. So I have taken it as a. One integer is 170. What is the value of the other integer? So this 170 is positive. When it will go on the right hand side, what will be the sign of this 170? Please reply to me in the comment sections. Yes, the sign will be changed to minus 170. And minus minus is plus, and sign of the negative is applied, right? So the value of b is minus 183. Clear, students? Now question number 9. The sum of two integers is 65. If one of the integers is minus 47, find the other. So this question you have to do it in your maths homework copy by your own. So आपको जो दो homework मिले हैं, question number 6 second option, question number 9. Now coming to true false. True false you have to do it in the maths textbook only, but I used to explain the true false in order to clarify your concept so that you understand well. Write the following statements, true or false, okay? Sum of two integers is always an integer. जब हम दो integers को add करते हैं तो result is always an integer. That is totally true, right? Minus 2 is minus 4. Minus 2 plus 6 is equals to 4. So see, we are getting one negative, one positive. So whenever we are adding two integers, the result is always an integer. So you all have to tell me which property is this in the comment section. I am not going to give you the answer. I will be giving the answer of this at the end of the video. So you have to match it afterwards. Now second option. The difference of two integers is always an integer. This is also correct. This is also the same property. This is also true. Minus 2 minus 4. So minus 2 plus 4 is equals to 2. That is also an integer, right? I am giving you some examples also in order to clarify it. Now the third option. The third option is minus 14 is greater than minus 8 minus 7. So solve this. Minus is plus. So minus 8 plus 7 is minus 1, and it is written like that ki minus 14 is greater than minus 1. This is totally wrong. This statement is false. The third option is false. Now coming to the fourth option. So please pay attention, students. The fourth option is minus 5 minus 2 is greater than minus 8. So minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7. That is obviously greater than minus 8. That means this is true. Fourth option is true. Now coming to the fifth option. So please pay attention, students. Sorry for the disturbance. Yes. So the fifth option is minus 7 minus 3 is equals to minus 3 minus 7. So minus 7 minus 3 is minus 10. We all know that. Now minus 3 plus 7 is equals to 4. See, both are not equal, but as per the true false equal to sign was there. That means this is also false. So till here I hope everybody must have understood. So that's all for today. If you have understood, please like the video and share also if you want. Thank you students. Have a great day ahead.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.